Hi everyone, this is Meg. I'm a librarian at the Wooddale Public Library, and along with the Bensenville Library, we are eager to help you in any ways that we can as you search for a new job. The site I'm going to show you today is Worknet Dupage, and you can find that at worknetdupage.org. The first time you visit this site, it is a good idea to click on the Get Started button at the top right of your screen. If you fill out the information on this page, it will help Worknet Dupage tailor your job search for you. You need to fill in any information with the asterisk next to the information. This just helps them get a handle on what kinds of things you're looking for. Also at the bottom where it says, how did you learn about us? You can write down that you learned about this site through the Wooddale Public Library, the Bensenville Public Library, or the Recovery Project 2020. But this is just a good idea. It only takes a few minutes to fill out, and it will tailor what you're looking for. You only have to do this once, so you don't have to do it every time you get onto the website. Let's go back to the front page. So you can just click where it says Worknet Dupage, and it will take you back to the home page. And since you are a job seeker, you are going to click at the top of the screen where it says Job Seekers. When you get a chance, you can look at all of the information. There's a lot of helpful skills and webinars on this website. Right now, I'd like to show you the Who's Hiring section here. So this is job leads from businesses in DuPage County. So you just click on the Learn More button. And you can narrow your search if you'd like using these buttons up here. So you can search by type of job. So what category? If you're looking for a full-time or a part-time job. You can even limit to the areas in DuPage that you would like to work in, so Chicagoland, Downers Grove. You don't have to click any of these. Or you can search by company if you're looking for something specific. These are all optional. If you found something you'd like, you would just click this orange magnifying glass to limit the search. Or you can just scroll through and look at the all of the job postings. They're going to list the newest jobs first. You can tell how long they've been up in this upper right-hand corner of the box. So this job was posted 5 hours ago. It tells you the type of job, the company, what category it is. Usually there's a description. Occasionally there'll be salary information in the description as well. They also give you the location and if it is a full-time, a part-time, or a contract job. If you find something that you are interested in, you can then hit the Apply Now button here, and it will take you to the site so that you can then apply for the job, to send an application, or where to send your resume. And it will usually open those in a new window, so you don't have to go back and forth. A tip is to keep a notebook in which you record every job you apply for. If you prefer, you can also just print out the ad and file it that way. This is to prevent accidentally applying for the same job more than once and to give you the information to follow up if you need to. Another helpful tip about the Who's Hiring is down on the right-hand side, you'll see upcoming webinars that you can register for. These are all free and they're online meetings that will help you with tips on making a better resume or how to do virtual interviews. So you would just click on the register buttons right here on the side and they give you the dates as well. Let's go back to the home screen. So you can always just click this Worknet Dupage American Job Center button to get back to the home page. We're going to scroll down to where it says Job Seekers down here because these are COVID-19 resources for DuPage County. So we're going to click on Learn More. This link here, right here, Funding for Job Training, is an enormous help for any DuPage worker who's been laid off due to COVID-19. Especially if you would like to retrain or learn a new job skill and you don't really have the money at the moment to pay for it. So if we click on the Learn More button right here, we'll find out more information on funding for job training. So if you scroll down, every Tuesday they offer a free webinar at 9:30 that talks about how to get this funding. So this is up to $10,000 in job training grant opportunities, and all of this funding comes from grants. So these are not payback loans. If you're interested in attending one of these webinars, you would just click register now and fill in the information below. So you can pick the date that you would like to do it. You fill in your name and your email address, and you hit register. If you have not used a Zoom program before, the Wooddale Library does have a short tutorial on how to set up a Zoom account and use Zoom software on our YouTube channel, so you can click on that as well to walk through how to use Zoom. If you would like any librarian to help you with this, you can always give us a call ahead of time, and we will work on getting you on a computer and helping you get logged into these events. If you scroll down, you can see what kinds of training they will offer. So there's all sorts of training. A popular one is the commercial driver's license training, but there's so many other options that you can look at. So you can go down here and see all of these different options as well. So there's a lot of opportunities here that Worknet Dupage can fund for you. Worknet Dupage offers extraordinary opportunities to find local jobs and to pay for certification and training. Finally, keep in mind that you do not have to struggle with these websites and cover letters and online applications and resumes by yourself. You can ask any staff member at the Wooddale Public Library or the Bensenville Library for help, and help will be yours. You can email both libraries at the same time by emailing recoveryproject2020@gmail.com, or you may call the Wooddale Public Library at 630-766-6762, or the Bensenville Library at 630-766-4642, and we will be here to help you. Good luck in all of your endeavors.